option is to get the MagSafe Duo Charger so you can charge your Apple Watch and your iPhone at the same time. I got one to go with my watch, so I'll open it up. Looks like this, and you can close it so it's smaller for travel. And it connects here with the lightning cable. And then this side is USB-C. If I can get this to focus. Alright, this is not cooperating. And then this side is USB-C. Since this charges wirelessly, all I have to do is put my phone on here and my watch on here, and it starts charging. This also works with AirPods, so if you have AirPods with a wireless charging case, you can charge them on here too. Just this side though, I don't think it works on the watch side. This side might just be for the watch.